Hi, my name is Lori Frank. My first experience with Dr. Barusco was extremely interesting because I was somewhat frightened and not realizing what was going to take place because I had a tremendous amount of work to be done. However, after my first experience with Dr. Barusco, I found it to be very successful. So I returned for a second one, and that was even more successful. And now I'm back here for a third one, which I feel will really take care of any issue that I have. And I'm very thankful to Dr. Barusco because he is a special, special person to me and my family. Thank you.
My husband's experience with Dr. Barusco and his team has been very, very satisfactory, highly successful. He's very happy with his new look. Dr. Barusco and his team have always been willing to help do whatever we needed to have done. Lots of good advice, lots of support, and anything we need or anything my husband ever wanted was done and taken care of. It's a pleasure coming to be here. It's obviously easier for me than it is for him, but he is really very, very satisfied with the results, and we highly suggest it to anyone who is considering this procedure.